Hello, my name is Akis Ahmad Fatoni from the Faculty of Healthy Sciences, Ma'arif Hasyim Latif Sidoarjo University. Here I will present the result of my work. Lack of blood or anemia is a condition when the body lacks healthy red blood cell or when red blood cells do not function properly. As a result, the organs of the body do not get enough oxygen, making people with anemia pale and red easily. Anemia can occur temporarily or in the long term with a severity of mild to severe. Anemia is a blood disorder of hematology disorder that occurs when the level of hemoglobin is below normal. Causes of anemia. Anemia occurs when the body lacks healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. As a result, the cells in the body do not get enough oxygen and do not function normally. Broadly speaking, anemia occurs due to the following three conditions. 1. Insufficient production of the blood cell. 2. Excessive blood loss. 3. The destruction of red blood cells too quickly. Symptoms of anemia. Symptoms of anemia vary widely depending on the cause. Patients with anemia may experience symptoms such as weakness and fatigue, headache and dizziness, frequent sleepiness, for example, drowsiness after eating. Skin looks pale or yellowish, irregular heartbeat, shortness of breath, chest pain, cold in the hands and feet. Symptoms in the above is often not raised by the patient, but will be felt more and more as the condition of anemia gets worse. Diagnosis of anemia. To determine whether the patient is anemic, the doctor will perform a complete blood count. Through a blood test, the doctor will measure the level of iron, hematocrit, and folic acid in the blood, as will check kidney function. The purpose of the test is to determine the cause of anemia. In addition to blood tests, the doctor will carry out other follow-up examinations to look for the cause of anemia, such as endoscopy to see if the stomach or intestines is bleeding, pelvic ultrasound to determine the cause of menstrual disorder that cause anemia, bone marrow aspiration examination to determine level, shape, as well as the level of maturity of blood cells from the factory directly. Examination of amniotic fluid sample during pregnancy to determine the possibility of the fetus suffering from genetic disorder that cause anemia. Complication anemia. If left untreated, anemia is at risk of causing serious complications, such as difficulty doing activity due to fatigue, heart problems, such as heart rhythm disturbances and heart failure, lung disorder, such as pulmonary hypertension. Pregnancy complications include premature birth or low birth weight baby, plus developmental disorder if anemia occurs in children or infants. Vulnerable to infection. Prevention anemia. Some types of anemia: shock anemia during pregnancy and anemia due to iron deficiency can be prevented by eating a diet rich in nutrients, especially food rich in iron and folic acid, such as meat, cereal, beans, dark green leaf vegetables, breads, and fruit. Food rich in vitamin B12, such as milk and its derivatives, as well as food made from soybean, such as tempeh and tofu. Fruit rich in vitamin C, such as orange, melon, tomato, and strawberry. Hb levels are normal for everyone, varies depending on age and sex. Here are the normal range of Hb values. Male adult 13 gram per deciliter, adult woman 12 gram per deciliter, pregnant woman 11 gram per deciliter, infants 11 gram per deciliter, children 1 to 6 years 11 gram per deciliter, children and adolescents 6 to 18 years 20 per gram per deciliter. Thank you.